stargazers. Have you ever wondered why it gets dark at night? The sun shines so brightly during the day, but at night it seems to disappear. Today, we're going to uncover this amazing mystery of the night. Let's get started. Meet the Earth. To understand why it's dark at night, we need to learn about our planet, Earth. Did you know that Earth is always spinning like a top? One side of Earth faces the sun, and that's where it's daytime. The other side is turned away from the sun, and that's where it's nighttime. Cool, right? The role of the sun. The sun is like a giant light bulb in space. It gives us light and warmth. But because Earth is round, the sun can only shine on one side at a time. That's why we have day and night. How long does it take? Earth spins all the way around in about 24 hours. That means every place on Earth gets daytime and nighttime in one day. It's like Earth is playing a game of hide and seek with the sun. Fun facts about nighttime. Did you know? At night, the sky looks dark because there's no sunlight, and we can see stars twinkling far away. Some animals, like owls and bats, love the dark and come out to play at night. In places like the North Pole, it can stay dark for weeks during winter. Imagine that. Why doesn't the moon light up the night? Sometimes the moon makes the night feel less dark, but it doesn't shine by itself. It reflects sunlight like a mirror. That's why the moon looks bright, but it's not as powerful as the sun. Why it's important. Day and night are super important. Daytime lets us play and grow, while nighttime gives us rest and helps plants and animals sleep too. Nature is so smart, don't you think? Now you know why it gets dark at night. The next time you look at the starry sky, remember the amazing science behind it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more fun learning adventures. See you next time, stargazers.